lateral to medial side. Try to catch her represent the bones of the distal row from lateral to medial side. Try represent the trapezium. To represent the trapezoid. Catch represent the capitate and her represent the hamate bone. Now one thing that you should know about the carpal bone is that both the proximal and the distal row of the carpal bones form an arc that you can see. This is an arc, and above the arc is present the flexor retiniculum. So the arc and the flexor retiniculum create a tunnel called the carpal tunnel. Also, the joint that is present between the carpal bones is called the intercarpal joint. For example, this is the intercarpal joint between the hamate and the capitate bone. Now let's move our discussion towards the metacarpal bones. There are 5 metacarpal bones in one hand. The bones of the metacarpal forms the palm of the hand, and the bone of the metacarpal of the thumb is the first metacarpal. This is the second metacarpal. This one is the third, fourth, and the fifth metacarpal bone. The bones of the metacarpal are present distal to the carpal bones. That's why they are called the metacarpal bones. The joint that is formed between the metacarpal and the carpal bone is called carpometacarpal joint. The distal row of the carpal bones articulate with the metacarpal bones. The first carpometacarpal joint is between the trapezium and the first metacarpal. The second one is between the trapezoid and the second metacarpal. Third one is between the capitate and the third metacarpal. The fourth and the fifth carpometacarpal joint is between the hamate bone and the fourth and fifth metacarpal bones. If we look one of the metacarpal bone as a representative, then this is the base.